Hey, what's up everybody? It's RG over here at Armadillo Junction. Today we're going to do a little take on Big Lew BBQ's recipe from Oyster Rockefeller. Like Big Lew, I do barbecue and other things I want to do, so I thought we'd do something different today. I've never cooked it, but I ate it plenty of times, and we're going to see what we can make out of his recipe. Maybe add a little different version to it. Alright, y'all come along, see what I got going on. Alright, sticking with the Big Lew barbecue thing, we're not going with no measurements, which I'm thoroughly familiar working with. Everything's going to be shakes and bunches and jiggles and whatever it takes to make the recipe. If you like a good history of the recipe, check out Big Lew BBQ's channel. He gives a good brief history on how the Oyster Rockefeller came about. Alright, we're going to start with a bunch of green onions, a big old handful or two of some baby spinach. We're going to chop them up really fine, and had to cheat today. Got some minced garlic because I forgot the garlic at the store. But anyway, we'll get them chopped up and I'll get back with you. Alright, we're going to start out. We got half a stick of butter in there. And we're going to throw in a, I don't know, teaspoon or so, tablespoon or garlic. You can't ever have too much garlic. We're gonna throw us a couple of half lemon halves in there, squeeze them. Yeah, we gotta take seeds out. Alright, we're gonna throw in, since I'm in Texas, it's pretty much Mexican hot sauce, so that's my favorite, Valentina. So we're gonna fill that up with a few shakes, and we're gonna a few glugs of Worcestershire sauce. All right, we're gonna hit it with the black pepper. I'm just using regular old table pepper, not that fancy ground stuff like Big Lew. Alright, we're gonna salt it up. We're gonna get that. You don't want your butter or garlic to burn. Just kind of keep it on a low burn there. Alright, we're gonna throw in maybe a pinch of paprika. I just got regular paprika. That hot sauce is a little smoky. We'll call that a pinch. Stir that up a little bit. Alright, we're gonna dump our greens in. Like I said, that's about two handfuls of baby spinach and a whole mess of green onions chopped up fine. We'll saute them down a little bit. We don't want them to turn black, so don't overcook them. We want a good green color. Big Lew says that's where the name comes from. It looks like the color of money. So we want that, make sure that don't overcook. Let it saute a little bit. Turn the heat up on it. All right, we got that sauteed down a little bit. We're gonna throw in a dollop of sour cream. And by the recipe, a few glugs of heavy whipping cream. All right, we're gonna add in about a handful of grated Parmesan cheese, just typical bag stuff. Then we're gonna throw in some breadcrumbs. I'm just using regular old store-bought breadcrumbs. Just thicken it up a little bit. Use a pretty fine breadcrumb, so add a little bit more. All right, to that, we're gonna add our jigger of white wine. Got the barefoot. All right, we got that good mixed up. Now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna turn it off to cool. I'm gonna get the grill ready. We're gonna grill these things in cast iron skillet, because I don't have no fancy oyster cooker or oyster shells. I'll get back with you as soon as the grill's ready. All right, we're gonna get the cast iron warmed up just a little bit so we can get this butter melted. Then we're gonna put a little bit of garlic in there. All right, since I am from Texas, we're gonna use local source stuff. We got Jerry's oysters out of Smith Point, Texas. Already shucked, easy peasy. All right, we're gonna take and drop these oysters in and just layer them up like this. I like these good small oysters. I don't like them big ones I've got sometimes from other areas, other states. All right, we got our Rockefeller for Oyster Rockefeller. Now we're just gonna dab it on. I put it in the refrigerator, cool it off a little bit, and let it get too cool. Kind of got thick on me. We'll just continue like this, get them all dressed up, and we'll put them on the grill. All right, there they are, all dressed up. We'll get them on the grill here in just a second. All right, here we go. Big Lew's favorite, the old smoky, so we're gonna cook these Oyster Rockefeller on here. We'll throw them on there, let them cook for a while. They get all sizzling good and give it a taste. All right, I took my eye off of it for a second and it got too hot. So we're gonna go see what it looks like. Let it cool off a minute, see if we can recover. All right, so here what we came up with. It got a little bit hotter than I wanted. Kind of took my eye off of it. But I bet it's gonna be good. Let's spin it up and give it a taste. All right, we're gonna give it a taste. We're gonna dig them out here. I got some off-camera people. They're gonna help taste this. We're just gonna look for a lump and go for it. Oh yeah. That's some good stuff there. Y'all can come on in and get you a bite.
I don't want to be on camera.
No camera takers?
No.
I don't mind getting my
Oh, y'all
camera.
want to get That's pretty good.
There's one. Definitely rich. All right, Big Lew, that was some good stuff. Restaurant can't do no better than that. That recipe was simple and easy, and sure did like it. Not much for words, but I hope you find some peace in the coming days, and we'll be praying for you. Until next time, we'll see y'all down the road.